Hello my beautiful friends, it's Amanda here and it's time for my May favorites. I have so many things to talk about that I enjoyed this month and only like half of them are actually makeup. I've got books, I've got skincare, I've got nail polish, so let's not waste any time. Let's talk about my favorite books first. I crushed some reading in the month of May. I think I finished 6 books. Some of them were rereads, but these 2 books I definitely want to share with you. I know a lot of people have already read these. I read both of these while I was on a long weekend trip and I could not put them down. I'm very late to the game on The Girl on the Train. Tons of people recommended that book to me, so I finally read it. Then I immediately read The Woman in Cabin 10, and if you like one of these, you will definitely like the other. They have a psychological mystery, almost thriller type of feel to them. Definitely different storylines, different authors, but both really, really good books. I thoroughly enjoyed these and I will definitely be picking up more books from both of these authors. If you like mystery or crime thriller type of books, you will love these. The Girl on the Train and The Woman in Cabin 10, favorite books of the month. Speaking of that long weekend trip I took, I spent a lot of time sitting on airplanes, and I don't know about you, but when I am on an airplane, my dry skin gets so much worse. That stale airplane air just wreaks havoc on my skin. So I like to take some little sample size or travel size skincare with me. Both of these products are from the brand Belief. This is the serum concentrate and the cream from their Pete Miracle line. I am so glad that I had these little guys with me, and then once I got back from my trip, I have been continuously using these. My little serum's almost gone. I will definitely be investing in more of both of these products because I love them. They feel so good, so soothing, so moisturizing, not greasy at all. I'm sure people thought I was insane because during my layover, I went to the bathroom and I applied both of these. You gotta make skincare a priority, you know what I'm saying? I know that the full size of these items are pretty pricey. I do think that skincare is worth an investment if it works really well for you. I've liked other things from the brand Belief before, but I think these are my 2 favorite products I've ever tried from them. Let's talk about my favorite nail polishes. I have 2 shades that I absolutely loved over the past month. First, let's just talk about this guy. This is from the brand Different Dimensions, but this polish is called Cam Fam. They did a collaboration with Nicole from Young, Wild, and Polished, who I love. I love her channel. So congratulations, Nicole. The entire collaboration had 4 nail polishes. They're all beautiful. This one was my favorite, and let me tell you, this shade Cam Fam, I actually took it off my nails once it started chipping and repainted the exact same shade back onto my nails. I don't know if I've ever done that in my life. Even my husband was like, are you putting the same shade back on? I love this color. It's a beautiful iridescent blue, purple, shifty. This is summer goodness. It made me feel amazing when I had it on my nails. It's bright, it's happy. I don't think this is available anymore, but this truly was my favorite. I had to share it with you. I'm so sorry if I made you want this and you can't get it anymore, but I had to talk about it. Love, love, loved it. Congrats, Nicole, on a beautiful polish. The other polish I want to talk about is actually a collaboration as well. This is from Sinful Colors in collaboration with Vanessa Hudgens. They did this festival collection and there are a bunch of beautiful colors in this collection. There are several in there that I've tried and I really like, but this one has been my favorite so far. This one's called Road Trip. It's a really bright turquoise with some little blue, tiny little blue glitters in it. This color just screams summer. It's another one that it just made me happy when I looked at it. And these are also very affordable as well. So if you're feeling bummed about the Different Dimensions polish that I just mentioned, if it's not available anymore, then this one is a good consolation prize. These products are not new to me at all. They have been mentioned in many a favorites video, but now they're available in these adorable travel sizes. These are the Hangover RX primer and spray from TwoFaced. I love these products. I've definitely gone through a few full size of both of these. I've recommended them, especially for dry skin, at every turn. They smell like coconuts. Now they're in these little travel size. They're so stinking cute. And I have some trips planned for the summer, so I know I'll get some great use out of these. So excited by little cute tiny small things, especially when it's a product that I really love. Does anybody else have a weird affection for really cute little makeup things? Leave a comment, let me know. I know I can't be alone here. Next, I want to tell you about my favorite brush of the month. This is the MAC 462 SES. This is only available in their basic brush kit, which is only available in the MAC travel retail locations at the moment. I have a whole video about that set. I raved about this brush in that video. I have been loving how useful this is. I like it for setting, for contouring, bronzing, blush, highlighter. You can pretty much do everything with this brush. Since this is a mini and it's part of a special set, you can't buy this little brush individually, but it looks like the closest full-size MAC brush that you can buy on its own is the 138. I'll show you a picture of what that brush looks like. It's the same long tapered bristles. I don't actually have that brush in my hands right now, but from the photos, it looks like that 138 is the closest you can get in an individual brush to this one. If you can find the basic brush set, I definitely recommend that one. It comes with this super cute lipstick shaped brush holder as well. But if you can't, or you're just not interested in the set, then look into that 138 brush because this tapered shape is seriously so useful. I love it. I love this brush. You know you love a brush when you want to actually clean it all the time so that you can keep using it. Now let's talk about some actual makeup, shall we? I was testing this foundation all month long so that I could do a review video. I pretty much only wore this foundation and tested out with different primers and different products with it. It's the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation. Never in my life did I think I would have a matte foundation in my favorites. And I have to say, while this isn't the absolute best foundation I've ever tried in my life for my dry skin, I really enjoyed this. I was pleasantly surprised. I found that if I use this with a hydrating and or illuminating primer, then it worked really, really well. It wore really well. Huge shade range, just the right sweet spot of that medium buildable coverage. It has a pump, it's affordable, 40 shades. I mean, that alone. I should put in my favorites the CoverGirl shade range. I see this foundation working for a lot of different skin types. If I, as a dry skin person, can use it, then I'm sure it's even better for somebody who is combo or oily. Highly recommend. This is starting to hit the shelves now. I know it's available on Amazon at this point. This is definitely worth a try. CoverGirl Matte Made. You did that. Good job. Good job, CoverGirl. I have a favorite concealer combo for the month. These are two concealers that I've been using and been loving for a really long time, but I have only been reaching for these two and using them together for probably the past 6 weeks or so. It's the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow and the MAC Mineralized Concealer. I love to use these together because the Pro Glow isn't quite brightening enough and the MAC Mineralize isn't quite enough coverage. So this adds some brightness and this adds some coverage, and together it's just a great combo. My under eyes and all of my highlighting areas where I put concealer on my face just look moisturized and dewy, not creasy or flaky. I keep reaching for these two and I'm happy with them every single time. If you are somebody that watches a lot of my videos and checks the description box to see what I've been wearing, at least half my videos this month, I have been wearing this on my eyes. This is from Smashbox. It's their Cover Shot palette in Petal Metal. It's in collaboration with Vlada. It's so beautiful. I did a whole video on this collection and this was like my favorite thing and I have kept reaching for it. These are exactly the shades I want to wear. Tons of shimmer, really warm, pinky, coppery, tons of sparkle and warmth, and it's so easy to use. It's not too many shades to where it's overwhelming or redundant. It's such a great little size. It has beautiful packaging. It's just everything that I want in a palette. I know that the highlighters from that collection are what's getting all the attention because those are so beautifully packaged, but when it comes down to the actual product, this is the best thing in the collection by far. I need to get more Cover Shot palettes now because I'm so impressed with this one. Last, my lip favorites. No surprise here. They're nudes again. These are the products that I'm wearing on my lips today. I love wearing both of these together and I like both of them separately as well. This lipstick is from the Mirage Noir collection from MAC. It's called Nothing to Wear. It's a really pale nude and a cream sheen finish, super comfortable, really easy to just throw on and go, and it looks great with a lot of different eye looks. Do I have a million nude lipsticks in my collection? Yes, I do. Did I need this one? Yes, I did. Plus, look how pretty it is. I mean, if it's not already obvious, I am a sucker for packaging and I feel no shame for that. My other lip favorite this month is from Laura Geller. It's this lip hugging lip gloss in the shade Nude Beach. It's a really pale peachy nude. I love the way this looks paired with that MAC lipstick. It's super comfortable, not sticky, just the right amount of pigmentation in there that I can wear it on its own, but it also pairs really nicely over a nude lipstick. I've been reaching for lip gloss a lot more lately, and this one has been sitting out on my vanity because I've been wearing it so much. I actually have all of these Nude Kisses lip glosses from Laura Geller, so leave a comment if you would be interested in seeing a lip swatch video and more product info about these. Let me know because I would definitely make a video about these. These are really, really nice glosses. And this shade called Nude Beach has really been doing it for me. Those are all of my favorites from the month of May. I always love to hear what you guys enjoyed over the past month, even if it's not beauty related, especially if it's a book recommendation. Leave a comment and just let us know what you've been loving too. As always, thank you so very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Favorites here, favorites there, favorites everywhere. My next project is a children's book. And I don't know about it, but you're great at making YouTube videos. It's fine. Oh, I almost spilled nail polish all over myself. That would suck. These are my fancy yoga pants. Things stay-at-home moms say. What? What are you even talking about? Of course you like it. It's your favorites. Oh, what do you know? My lip favorites are nudes. I'm wearing an eyeshadow as my highlighter. Does it look as good on camera as it does in person? Because it looks pretty awesome in person. Sometimes you just have to compliment your own highlighter. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Got stuff to do. Gotta go. See you next month or later this month if this goes up on June 1st. Bye.